How to add transitions in KineMaster. Now, in order to add transitions in KineMaster, you just simply need to open your KineMaster app and import the clip where you would like to add the transitions. Now, after importing the clips which you would like to edit and add transitions, you just simply need to add two clips or split one clips into two halves, and it will create something like this. And into the very middle you can see this thing. Just simply tap to this, and after that you will get to see transitions effect option from this menu bar. Just simply select what kind of transition effect that you want. For example, I would see the 3D transitions for now, and select any of the transitions which you would like to add. For example, cracked glass sounds interesting. Just simply tap to any of the transitions and it will give the transitions effect to the video. Now you can check by playing like this, and as you can see here, my background video transition is added. So this is how you add transitions in KineMaster. If this video helped you, give us a subscribe. Thank you for watching this one.